India becomes only the second country after the US to register more than 1 lakh new cases in a day, as country's daily COVID-19 cases touched 1,03,558 on Monday. The cumulative total is 12.6 million, the highest after the US and Brazil. India has also recorded the most number of infections in the past week anywhere in the world. Goa recorded 247 infections on Monday. Here's more.
In September 16 of last year, 97,894 cases were reported, the highest till today. Fortunately, deaths are still one of the lowest death rates in the world. However, increasing infection rates could overwhelm the medical system in many states. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said SOPs will be fully enforced. He also said that they would increase number of beds and testing.
We are now placing an order for 3 machines which will be installed at Asilo Hospital in addition to what we have, Asilo Hospicio and Goa Medical College. So it will increase by another 1500 to 2000 tests per day. So we are thinking of targeting, because there is a variation, we are thinking of targeting anything between 2500 to 3000 tests per day, so that we are able to keep a control. We are increasing the bed capacity in the South Goa District Hospital by another 300. In addition, there is a ICU facility already there. We are increasing the number of medical officers from DHS to be posted at the South Goa District Hospital, so that we are able to start ITU facilities also in the South Goa District Hospital. ESIC hospital has been declared as a COVID care center, but I think we need to use it as a proper hospital. COVID care center concept, rather than calling it a separate COVID care center, this is my personal feeling, is what we used to run it earlier, same way we can run it. We are reaching full capacity, bed capacity in South Goa District Hospital as well in Goa Medical College. We have got hardly 10-15 beds remaining in Goa Medical College. We have got hardly some 15-20 beds remaining in South Goa District Hospital. So this is the situation as we speak. Every day we are getting admissions to about anywhere ranging between 30 and 40 admissions per day, increasing, and we, as we discussed in the expert committee meeting, is that we feel that we may, this will go higher, projected as per what Dr. Utkarsh has suggested to us during our discussion, that we need to see that all types of precautions are taken, and so that in case this is a further spike and if it crosses 300, then we should be ready in terms of all infrastructure that is required to deal with the pandemic COVID-19. आम्ही जे 15 टेस्ट धाडलेले हांगा NIV, ते आमच्याकडे आतापर्यंत रिपोर्ट येवंक ना, आमच्याकडे रिपोर्ट ना तेजो, आनी म्हणून आमी एक्सप्लोर करता पॉसिबिलिटी. हांवें सांगला डीनाक, and we have also secretary myself, we will explore possibility, because it's not easy. It is easy to in a media press conference to just say something, but it is not easy. That genome testing म्हणटा ते कशें implement आमी करू शकता. Now we can tie up with somebody, because NIV is the only place which we are doing. To spend 1.5 crores of rupees and to get this genome testing here, so that we know what type of strain we are dealing with. But here suddenly we find a bed capacity is getting full. As we speak, we have got 10 patients on the trolley in Goa Medical College having COVID positive. And I also feel personally as a health minister, time has come for us to take some steps in terms of restrictions, which will be decided by the Disaster Management Committee as per the guidelines of Government of India.
The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant is still very circumspect on the issue. He says that as of now, government has not decided to put any restrictions but was monitoring the situation, saying that it was both the responsibility of people as well. He said that the government will spruce up testing while people should follow SOPs.
कोविड केसेस डे बाय डे वाढत आसा. इट इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बोथ. म्हणजे आम्ही जशें म्हणटा, सरकार प्रत्येक फावटी काळजी घेया. ओके, प्रत्येक फावटी आमी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ह्या सगळ्यो गजाली सांगता. टेस्टिंग खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात करपा खातीर आमी मागता. लोकांनी आतां पर्यंत आपली काळजी घेवपाक जाय. ओके, आनी टेस्टिंगूय खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात करपाक जाय. इतकें जर करीत जाल्यारूच, म्हणजे हांव अशें म्हणना की गोंयांत 250 पर्यंत केसीस जाल्या, कारण ते कंट्रोल दवरता आसता जाल्यार सगळ्या लोकांचें सहकार्य जाय.
MGP Supremo Ramakrishna Sudhin Dhavalekar said that he had warned about Disprat. He alleged that the Chief Minister was not aware of the clauses of Section 144 and in case things got worse, only the government was to be blamed for it.
आज जवळ 15,000 भुरगे पास जावन भायर सरिल्ले आसात आनी त्या खातीरूच हो म्हजो स्टेटमेंट. दुसरी गजाल आसा ती व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. कोवीड पसरत आसा. 144 कलम मुख्यमंत्र्यान लायला आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान 144 कलम कितें हें वाचूना काय कितें हो म्हजो प्रश्न. कारण जो मांद्र्यान सत्कार जाला किंवा जे फोटो ह्या दिसा तांचे वास्कोच्यान फोटो आयल्या पेपरांनी न्यूज, तांणी मास्क बांदूना, तांणी कांयच सोशल डिस्टन्सींग करूना आनी हें सगळें दिसता दोळ्यांनी आमकां. आनी मुख्यमंत्री उलयता की आमी जे पळय घरा कडेचे कितें सण आसा ताका आमी परमिशन दितले म्हणून. आज महाराष्ट्रांत कितें जालां, आजचे दिसा महाराष्ट्रांत म्हाका दिसता नाका आशिल्ल्यो गोश्टी आजचे दिसा घडल्या. अक्षय कुमाराची एक टिमीक 46 जाण सांपडल्या. हाजे वयल्यान मुख्यमंत्र्यान कितले सिरियस आसपाक जाय आनी हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान कितले सिरियस आसपाक जाय हें आज कळटा. हांव इतलीच शिटकावणी दितां. काल नंबर 265 आशिल्लो आनी हांवें पयर सांगिल्लें ह्या दिसा तो 1000 क्रॉस जाता म्हणून टुडे इट इज 2000 तेंकलो. हांव परत सरकाराक शिटकावणी दितां, जें कितें गोंयांत चल्लां तें बंद कर. कोवीड कंट्रोल करपा खातीर तुवें कितें तरी करपाची आवश्यकता आसा. त्या खातीर रेव्हेन्यू लॉस जाता आसत, ती रेव्हेन्यू लॉस भोगपाची तयारी गोंयकारांनी घेवपाक जाय. तुवें अशें म्हणना, कारण गोंयकारांनी घेवपाक जाय. कारण हो कोवीड संसर्ग जो आसा तो पसरत आसा. काल 78,000 ऑल ओवर इंडिया जाले आनी आज गोंयांत जर हें वाडलें ट्युरिस्टां लागून जाल्यार ताची जबाबदारी फक्त मुख्यमंत्री आनी हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आनी होम मिनिस्टराचेर आसता. बट दीस इज बिकॉज ऑफ ट्युरिस्ट आनी आमच्यो ज्यो कितें पार्टीज, रेव पार्टीज, डान्स बार, बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो ज्यो गोश्टी आसा त्यो कंट्रोल ना. सत्यनारायण पुजा आनी हें विधानसभेंत सांगलां 144 कलमांत कांयच दिल्लें ना. हें सामकें खरें आसा. 144 कलम जर तुमी लायता आसात त्या प्रमाणे तुमी वागपाक. हांव इतलेंच उलयतां की लॉकडावन जरी केलें ना, मिनी लॉकडावन्स, त्या नंतर रातच्यो ज्यो कितें चल्लां तें कंट्रोल करूं येता. आफ्टर 8 o'clock तांणी सगळ्यो गोश्टी कंट्रोल करूं येता. त्यो चालू ना. ऑल ओवर गोवा हें चलना आनी त्याची जिम्मेदारी कोणी तरी घेवची पडटली आनी आमी ब्लेम शेवट ओपोजिशन कोणाक करतले? सरकाराक. जाल्यार 144 म्हटल्या नंतर तें सगळ्याक लागता. 144 इज व्हेरी क्लियर. तुका 4 जाणां वयर एक कडेन जमपाचें ना.
Irshad Sheikh and Shyam Chari for Guwahati 365 from Panaji.